Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we will talking about CCleaner. It is a software that can clean unnecessary files from our PC or laptop. It can also increase performance of PC or laptop. I have a Windows PC. I will download the software in that PC. Firstly we open any browser. I have an Opera browser, so I will download in that browser. Firstly we search CCleaner. Then the first link, it is an authentic link that you can open in new window tab. Then CCleaner software come in your on your screen. Yeah, that you can download free download. Click on free download. It will download. Yes, it will download. It 83.9 MB file. It will download into your computer or PC. Sorry, PC or laptop. Guys, it will fully downloaded. I will open. Then run as administrator. CCleaner installer. Yes, you can install. Guys, CCleaner is installing. Customize install. I will install in my D hard drive. You can install in anywhere in your PC. D C. Okay, guys. Next, install. Guys, that detail you can hide. Runs CCleaner. It can delete all necessary files and clear cache. That is the software. Start CCleaner. Accept. No guys, I will continue free version. Custom clean. Edge Chromium. Internet cache, cookies, internet history, download history, last download location, temporary internet file. That all kinds of information will delete from our PC. That can waste our storage. Run clean. Continue. Yes. Guys, it will deleting. Yes. Quit Opera. Opera is closing. Guys, 56% is our PC clean. It takes a little bit time to clean our PC. Yes, OneDrive. Yes. Guys, 4.10 GB removed. Alright guys, this is enough for this video. Next video is coming soon. Bye guys.